Watch this video and learn how to draw a loaf of bread.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie? Can anyone see Artie? Artie! Oh, there he is. He's hiding. Artie! We can see you, Artie.
Welcome, little artists, to Artie's show.
Welcome back. Back again.
Artie, are you ready to do a drawing today?
Yeah.
Let's draw a J-shaped curve, sort of slightly on its side. That's it, Artie, just like the letter J. Now let's draw that same shape again, but back to front. A sort of back to front J. That's it. Perfect. What a perfect start, Artie. Now, draw a line down with a little hook on the end. Now do the same on the other side. And remember the hook. That's it. Now, connect those two hooks with a straight line across the bottom.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
We already have a slice of bread. Now let's draw some eyes. The right eye first.
See, when you use your markers, everything's so bright and colorful.
Well, we haven't started colouring yet, Mikey. That's later on. But we know what you mean. Oh, you're drawing an eyebrow. Why not? A slice of bread with eyebrows. The second eyebrow. And now for the left eye, let's draw a sort of curvy T shape. Just like the letter T on its side. This makes it look like the slice of bread is winking at us. Now the mouth, two little ends, and a big smile shape between those ends. Now let's do the bottom of his mouth, as if his mouth is wide open, and let's draw some teeth.
Isn't art fun?
I think so.
It really is fun, Mikey. Where else could you draw teeth on a slice of bread? That's art. You can do whatever you want with art, whatever you can imagine. Okay, finish the mouth. Fill it in nice and black. That's it. Joke break. Okay.
Why do we never tell jokes about pizza? They're too cheesy.
Too cheesy. That's funny, Mikey. Now here's the clever part of today's drawing. We're going to turn our slice of bread into a whole loaf. We do this by drawing the same shape that we see on the left side of the slice of bread, just across on the left. And if we do that again, Artie, that's right, copy the curve all the way around to the top.
Don't you think that looks fantastic, Betty?
I do, Mikey.
And then connect the bottom. That's it. Let's do another slice. Curve around. Try and copy the shape as closely as you can. Right to the top. And then let's go with a straight line down. A little hook at the bottom. And straight across the bottom. Should we do one more? Come on, why not? A nice curve. Try and copy the shape. That's it. And a line down. A little hook, and connect the line at the bottom. One more slice. Are you having fun, Betty and Mikey? Oh, you're speechless. Okay. One final line to complete this loaf of bread. You've finished. This was a very simple, easy drawing, and you've got a whole loaf of bread.
It's coloring time!
You finished? What a great job, Artie. I love the way you coloured him in. Made him look like a lovely, fresh loaf of bread. That reminds me, I'm in the mood for a sandwich. Should we go and make a sandwich?
See you later, Artie.
Have a great day, Artie!
Well, Artie, let's go to the kitchen and make a sandwich. But first, let's say goodbye to all the little artists. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.